Kublai pi baroj katup Khubor jungi ka DBMN TV. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka singi kilong. Terwa thau sorkar thamai ukonrat hakmat ulan. Shaktem NPP pet armut ki MLA ka seng HSPDP. Yat bed ke exam SSLC matrik habaro ko ke Jylla. Ban ngiden kam ne ka sorkar ka ba klem ke NPP ong ka surupai ba. Tumantai ne phaj ki Khubor ki ba khamania. Mentaka singi ki MLA bathamai ke NPP arpusan ngut kila jed ukonrat ke sangma u president jongkani ka seng kumunong alam u parliamentary party leader haka jingkershan senrop ka BJP ulalet banterwa thau sorkar bathamai ha Meghalaya hadien ba ke NPP kala long ka seng san hima kabala job buntam ki MLA haka election badang shedap penbena haka artarik Lber. Banter siang ka sensyar khadar ukonrat ulahiar shukino na ka sorkar MDA barim ban wanra bujli de ka bathamai hagini kisngi. Uba san borsulai bad uba Alexander Elhek jong ka BJP kila senra ni ukonrat sha yengsa jong ulat Raj Bhavan banterwa thau sorkar thamai. Nalor ki armut ki MLA BJP u MLA Shimet na bakmara karthus marak ula ai ka jingkershan ya ka sorkar thamai. Ukonrat unsa pha ki kerteng jong ki MLA ki bakershan ya kaliang jeng u khnang ba ulat un punshong nia shwaban khodi u ban thau ya ka sorkar ka bathamai. Mentaka singi ki MLA ni ki jaka bajingai kindang poi Shillong u konrat patla ban ay ki kerteng jeng ki sha ulat. Lakmi lenti bakin sa poi baro hakapor menmir mentaka singi laong ka Khubor.
कभी आया से और दो बीजेपी के सर उनका सपोर्ट आ गया है बीजेपी के एक और बिल्कुल सर मैंने बात की थी कमीशन साहब से उन्होंने कहा कि हम आना चाहते हैं मैंने कहा बिल्कुल सर हम आए तो उससे बड़ी बात और क्या हो सकती है तो साथ आके Thank you.
Baro arngut ki MLA ka seng HSPDP ki badang chu job shen haka election haka Jylla kila phet na ka jingalang jo ki seng UDP, VPP, Congress, AITC but PDF bandring ko shaktem jo ka seng NPP, BJP but independent mentaka singi. Haka shithi bo menteri rangba ukon ke sangma ula ai hakti jeng ulat Phagu Chauhan mentaka singi ula pen I baki armut ki MLA ke HSPDP kila ai ka jingmenjur ban kershan ka sorkar bathamai ban yalam du ukon rat ke sangma. Kaseng HSPDP kala job arngut na mau that rasan uba Shakliar Warjri barba Methodius Dekhar na mau shenrut. Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS hakalai tarik Lber kala sedang ke exam juga Secondary School Leaving Certificate SSLC haka Jylla barok away haka rukom ka babet ka baranti. U Joint Director juga MBOS ulayat ho baka rukom penya jaka ke exam haka ne kenti kalong ka bayat be yat renti klami kinu ki jingthut habaro shispa san puhnyau teli ki center ki badan haka Jylla barok away.
Kau ni siapa habang iwan hari ni iwan nak mau bangila prepare hi, baka dingdan dekat yang langjong play, but habang ile kanu kam bangila pen kre stam nila abe bende ke exam baru kasih hangi ni kre, but tang kata hi ada ni tre stam nila ban mau nginyo syakat hong ke job pak kani ke exam habang nila kre nila lala, but ni so ba ka question paper kam da than kabia ba kat kum mentau san kan kat kum gani first paper hi ke English kabia kaji shooting takadan bihi tang ba dalayo ka question paper ladang ila go through question paper but ila mo ngila ki question ki wan kum no bang ila la bangin juba bro ngila dan la ka self confidence kan nado ningkong iwan ro hang ni ru da ka jingdan dekat long bojong blai da ka jingdan confidence hi halade
Kasur upat ba hapo ka jingalam jong uba Arwin Sutenga mentaka singi ka lai tarik Lber kala yo ban ya kendu berkilat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club ban penpau shikinomi khmat ka Jylla ki barang susha jit thamai men hinen ka singi baka por kala dan kam ban thau ka sorkar ka ba khuj bat ka ba klem bam sam Kumbak lalong haka sorkar baladep hapok kajing alam jo ke NPP, lapau syai shibun kijing klumar hapok ke Jylla, berkajing jur kajing bamsap, bana kaliang ka sur upat ba kila penpau baka por keladan kam, ban thayo ka sorkar ka ba klem ke NPP. Na kaliang kini kirang ba kila thu badan kam ki seng riulum kum ka UDP, VPP rengkat ka Kongres bat AITC, bat kiwe pat ki seng riulum, banya don kajing sngo thu jing mut ban thayo ka sorkar ka ba klem ke NPP, kenang ban pen khuit no e ka bamsam, kajing kayi tu yu doyong bat kiwe.
Wan yin jong ba lakman rumbo. Ba hang tai kat kum ka jing yi ki jong ki don lai phumuk ki amale. Ki bom tre ban ya snow bat ka NPP. Kini ki kentup nadu ka UDP, ke HSPDP, PDF, Kongres, TMC. Badru ki ong ba u independent ba job nar brai udan lang. Bad ka VPP ro. Te lang kini baro kila long lai po. Banga sutanat banga ikendu ba ardan manai master. Ula penpau bala ai khatsan point. Khatsan point kiba ka VPP ka Voice of the People. Kabari simbol pra. Kila bu ya katakan nongrem kam tam ban pendu no ka bamsam. Ban pendunai ke jing lut ke sarkar. Ban khang no sendon ya ke jingkit do yong tu. Ban manra ya ke sensar ke ba yo ban penteri kam lut ya ke jing ada ya ke chat bantiu. Ke jongi ba ya state ke jongi lomba constitution do ke ini. Ba ter kibon ke yu ba nga so ya ha. Nomor ka tu ski iba sebor ila keren nakaliang kasur pa iba ni omba ni don kam ya ka clean government, ni don kam ya ka corruption free government, ni don kam ban yo kam ya jang samla, ni don kam ban yale persya ya ka drugs, ni don kam ban pait ba kham tam ki long yin kin kiu shikman kan don ka jinga da ki long kme ba ki kon ka thai ki kon chinra kam tam ki kelum de halor ka ni songtho ba anda ni yo banyak keren mentan ni songtho ba kini ro kiwe don lam hantai siski hadir ba la yo e result jong election ka ba dang sudah Shua ban yo e result kum sur pa ba ngila ai ka statement siya ka jaj ban reo ba ngidan kam ban yo ya ka sarkar ka ba khut ka sarkar ka ba ntrai sisai na ka banta ki imlang salang bat ka jimuto jong pa ba kam tam paduk bisto te andalami ka result ni iba ka bon ka jingkulmar kam tam ka jingya tebot ba hapadeng ki jing syak keno bamsap ki jing keno ba biang ka sensar kadar ka jing ki jing sisar ki balapau ka bon ki banta andre pa ba pada kawan pai ka NPP arkunri BJP usaha ka kiu ke UDP khatbai ka TMC gala tangsan ka Kongres pada ka hiar sya kesan ka PDF nakasaw kisa bat bon ki reb ki batbay ki khmat mai ki bon bhamda bat meneng ila i bo konrad sangma halor ka principal jong the largest being the single largest party ulale chu governor ban state ya kli rengkat bat ka BJP bat ki kamro bau way independent kartus armarak udan lambat ki
Kumba Shillong nadu ki por ba kham menshwa ka yaude kulai ka thnam bha hadin ka election haba ki kertong na ki party red ki job way ar ne laingot ki larengkang per kat ba ki mon wala ka an khang kentiap seng anti defection law kaladon hendrai kamlong ka ba suk bante lakam ye ki armut ki MLA jong ka nugu ka seng san hima lada way upet seng ula paria ka nugu ka seng san 4% bat ula laj na ki tersim pendu dekot MLA ya u ula ra ka ba suk banten ru syaka way pat ka sem kulai Hakani ka kenti layo I hapadeng ka jingya lang jong ki seng ki ba job khengiat ngut ki MLA ki ba konthop ya ka UDP, AITC, Congress, VPP, HSPDP, PDF kilayalum kroi ban ya mir jingmut ban yatali lang kawe kabut kabor ban persang thau sarkar klem ke NPP ban BJP. Kensan hapadeng ka ni ka jingya lang ki MLA jong ka HSPDP kila jarngai bat kinong yalam jong ka ni ka seng kila ngat haka umdum ka bala pensyayong ya baro kinong yalam jong ka ni ka seng.
Since you have seen that as political parties we are meeting today in order to explore the possibility of forming the government without NPP. So we are now still exploring the possibility. That is all I can say. We are yet to confirm whether those HSPDP MLAs are really missing or not. So only time can tell.
So now how many of you?
We are here 28 if I'm not mistaken. You know, as leader we are always hopeful on any issue.
But then can the parties altogether also invite the BJP to be part of this alliance?
You see, first there is some feeling that we would like to have a non-BJP and NPP government. But our first and foremost is to see that NPP is not there in the government. I think it's sad that we need to have a law, an anti-defection law to prevent members from jumping ship from one ship to another ship. But still, the law fails, to be upheld. So what we feel is that we need to find a person, a candidate or a leader who is committed to the cause, the ideology, the philosophy of the party. That's all I can say.
Responsibility. The responsibility that is vested upon each one of us as elected representative and members of different political parties. As you are aware, the people of the state have spoken and spoken loud and clear by exercising their right to franchise, giving the mandate. What is the kind of mandate? The fractured mandate though, but there is no decisive mandate for any political party. But if you draw a conclusion from this mandate, that means this mandate is for a change. For a change. Now why there is a question of asking about the kind of mandate that people have given this time is because like never before, the state was confronted by unpleasant issues pertaining to the alleged irregularities and alleged corruptions. You heard all the political parties taking up this core issue of corruption and how to free the state from the similar kind of corruption. Do the people of the state want the state to be subjected to similar kind of plundering that the people of the state have witnessed in the preceding 5 years? No. This particular no is reflected by the mandate, loud and clear. Therefore, the honors of responsibility of all the political parties, except the party who were leading the government and who were in the helm of affairs of governance and who were responsible to take cognizance of those alleged irregularities and alleged corruption and decided to be on denial mode all the time, facilitating, plundering of the state to such a scale. All the rest of the political parties must understand that along with this mandate comes there a responsibility, a huge responsibility which revolves around on a priority of protecting the interests of the state and coming together and working together for the larger good of the people. That's the quick fix. That's true. But then nevertheless, what is the issue that should supersede everything else? What's the priority which should supersede everything else? The priority is nothing but the larger interests of the people and protecting the interests of the state. Okay, that must supersede everything else. That's why we are meeting. Numbers can be claim and counterclaim. Okay. Now what's happening? You have to go to the backdoor channel and see what's happening everywhere in every camp, and I think you are aware of that.
Have you decided the name of the alliance?
Name of the alliance is yet to be decided upon, but at least the resolve to come together has already been finalized.
So a hypothetical situation. So if obviously the UDP would come and be part of this new coalition, would you concede to their demand of they wanting to see a Khasi chief minister?
You see, whatever demand or whatever issues, whatever priorities, whatever concerns, whatever conditions, it's an internal exercise. There is no such saying that, okay, Khasi or Garo chief minister can be from Khasians. What is the problem there? There's no problem. We have had Bibi Lingdo, let Bibi Lingdo, we have had let Ike Maolong, we had let Captain Sama. Everybody, the people of these 3 hills must come together. I disagree. I differ from that kind of brother. I shouldn't have commented on that because I do not want to engage in this kind of deliberations and discussion, because our deliberation discussion didn't revolve around that part of perspective.
So have you decided?
Sir, is there any decision taken by your today's meeting to meet the governor?
Certain things will be further discussed, okay? And when we submit our claim, subsequent to that, you will understand that, okay, all these other events will unfold.
Banpen kan mau ikinong page joka Don Bosco Media Network TV kum kani ka jingja kala lung shop ka seng HSPDP hakasnem khat khandai spa pra habala job prangut ki MLA hakata ke election kansan saungut ki la phet seng ban penlong ya ka HSPDP LD lonyak Don Kupar ban IT ya upurno agitok sangma jongka Kongres ban thau sarkar senrop hakata ka por imar ka history kansan lung shop yang hakani ka kenti tuyay up ya ka jingja bat bod hakini kisngi bandangwan. Bada kitu ki Khubor la poy siya kapakot tat hadu pangintay syambyang kublay sibun.